Hello everyone, in today's math challenge, we will look at this calculating 24 question. When I was a child, I have played a lot this calculating 24 game with family and friends. It is based on a pack of standard playing cards without jokers. Each card represents a number. For example, we always treat ace as 1, jack as 11, queen as 12, and king as 13. Of course, you can play a simpler version by removing jacks, queens, and kings. Anyway, after shuffling the cards, we can randomly pick up 4 out of the pack and expose them. So that means in front of you there are 4 numbers, and you are only allowed to use addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, plus the use of the brackets to calculate these 4 numbers to make up 24. And you have to use all the 4 numbers. For me, this game is full of fun. Actually, it is a very good opportunity to train your speed calculation, just to see how little time you will use to work it out. Here is a quick example. In front of us, there are 4 cards representing 4 numbers, 5, 4, 7, and 1, and see how can we make up 24 out of these 4 numbers. The common trick is we can calculate one number from 2 cards and calculate another number from another 2 cards, and hopefully 24 can be obtained from these 2 resultant numbers. However, to make it work, we have to keep our head running super fast. As an experienced player, it may only take me a few seconds to identify. Firstly, 4 times 7 is equal to 28, and 5 minus 1 is equal to 4, and 28 minus 4 is equal to 24. Okay, actually we can write this equation like this. 4 times 7 minus in the brackets 5 minus 1. So 28 minus 4 is equal to 24 and drop down. It is fair to say most of the questions are quite straightforward. It typically takes less than minutes or even less than half minutes to work it out. However, we do have some super tricky questions. And here I want to challenge you with the following 2 sets of the 4 numbers. In the set 1, we have got these 4 numbers, 4, 4, 10, and 10, and how can you make up 24 out of them? And in the second set, we have another 4 numbers, 1, 4, 5, 6, and again, how can you make up 24 out of these numbers based on the rules we have stated in the previous slide? You can pause this video here and spend as much time as you need, and then we come back for the answer. Okay, let's have a look at the answer together. In the set 1, we have got these 4 numbers, 10, 10, 4, and 4. By a quick glance, for example, if you calculate 2 numbers, 10 and 4, you can multiply them to get 40, or you can subtract them to get 6. However, for the resultant 3 numbers, either 40, 4, and 10, or 6, 4, and 10, it's just impossible to make up 24 out of them. Actually here, for the correct answer, you have to be brave enough to multiply this 10 first. You will get 100. And 100 minus 4 is equal to 96. And 96 is divided by this 4 is equal to 24. So the equation can be read in this way. In the brackets, 10 times 10 minus 4. So this is equal to 96. And divided by 4 is equal to 24. Okay, for the second set, it is also very tricky. To work it out, we have to go into the fractions. The first step, we will use 5 to be divided by 6, and it is 5 over 6. And then we use 1 to minus 5 over 6, because 1 is equivalent to 6 over 6. 1 minus 5 over 6 is equal to 6 over 6 minus 5 over 6 is equal to 1 over 6. And finally, we use this number 4 to be divided by the 1 over 6, and it's equal to 24. And we can write the equation in this way. 4 divided in the brackets, 1 minus 5 divided by 6. So here, 1 minus 5 over 6 is equal to 1 over 6, and 1 over 6 to divide this 4 is equal to 24. As you can see, both questions are far from straightforward, and we have to put in a big effort to work them out. Anyway, I just highly recommend this calculating 24 games to you, and you just use a standard pack of the playing cards either to play by yourself as a special training of the speed calculation, or you can play with one or more friends to see who is quickest to work it out. I just hope you will fully enjoy it. Thank you very much.